Well, I guess the videos impacted my business in a positive way to start. The first video we did was literally, it was an introduction to our potential clients, to introduce myself and my company and to kind of let them know how easily we could make things work for them if they were to hire TCA Electric. The second video was more of an informative video for clients that are looking for electric vehicles in multifamily buildings but don't know how to do it, don't know where to start, and it was an easier way to put across that they should be contacting us rather than something in writing. And it's more appealing, especially with a cartoon. They don't need to get personable with who's talking. So it was a very easy way for people to understand that, you know, it's okay not to have the answers, but we're the people that do. The reason we chose an animated video or even a video in the first place for this was because I saw a presentation from Carl with Quan Multimedia, and he showed me the results you can get from a video. Not only that, when you're trying to put something out there that you want timeless and not have to redo it each year or every couple of years, with animated, people are more likely to not be too involved with it because it's not a person where it's like, oh, I don't like the look of them or anything like that. It's just an animated video that's informative for them, and hopefully if it's done the right way like Quan Multimedia has done for us, then it's going to bring results for you. Well, I guess the long-term ROI with the introduction video, it still keeps going because what we've done is we've changed our way of sending a proposal. So now our proposal, when we send it out, it has a video introduction of us, it has some literature on like what we do, some background on the company, the things that sets us apart, and then it has our proposal. So it really helps us to kind of let our clients know or our potential clients know what we're all about. And it reminds our current clients, you know, we have you as number one. So whether they read the stuff that's going through or they click on the video, which is much easier to do, it works. We've been getting a lot of feedback from it, and it's all positive. And you know, everyone's asking like how we even came up with how to do that. But the video is a big part of how we send out a proposal now. So it lets people, you know, understand a bit more about us and what our goals are for their project should they hire us. The return of investment for our other video, which is the EV charging for multifamily residential, there's so many people out there that we've sent this video to. And the thing is, it takes time for a strata to approve, let's move ahead and do EV charging. So this video, once we send it to someone who's looking for EV charging in their building, it's very easy for them to forward it to strata, for them to look into it further, and then we're already on their doorstep. We want to do this work. We want to answer their questions. We want them to succeed in getting EV charging in. And that video actually really just puts that across to them. So the return of investment, it's continuous. It just keeps going. And especially with EV charging right now in Vancouver, we're really just at the start of it. Even though this video is a couple of years old, it's timeless because it's animated and it can happen, you know, we can use this for years to come. It's very easy for once people see the video and have our introduction email or however we want to introduce ourselves to them, to be like, well, these guys know what they're doing. I would recommend Quan Multimedia for any video projects because they have the experience and the professionalism to know exactly what they're doing, and they know what you need. So you might go there and not know exactly what you're trying to put across, but with the questions they ask you, that's their job. That's their job, is to know exactly what kind of video and how to put it out for you. And once they do that, you just see a return. We're looking forward to the next video we do, which will be even more different than the EV charging. It'll be of a house renovation or a new house where people will get to see us going through. And I know at that time, once we hire Quan Multimedia, it'll be done right. It'll be done right the first time. And that's it. And that's the same as it has been for the last two videos we've done. So it's a no-brainer, really.